myself is Yogesh. I belongs to Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Inspect on engineering. The training was very good. The details of technical knowledge of DPT, DT, and the flow transmitter was very good. And through this training, we definitely in the future we can convert the output into the sale. So it is a very fruitful training, and I hope in future definitely the Rocksensor will conduct the training another for getting more and more details. Thank you. The technical training was very good. When we go to the client, sometimes the client asks typical questions, but after this training, we definitely can answer the client's questions. And through this training, we definitely can convert the output into the sale. So the training was very good, and the technical details are very knowledgeable for us. I like the presentation of Rocksensor, the communication and the dedication, and the attention towards the product, and try to explain everything with the proper heart. So that's the thing I like the Rocksensor, and hopefully all the people will definitely will follow, and I also follow Rocksensor for future understanding technical details. In transmitter, most of the transmitter there are DPT, flow meter, and level transmitters. But I like most electromagnetic type flow meter, because it used for the electromagnetic like NaCl we can use it. And DPT I also like, because flow is we can level both the pressure and level also. So I like the DPT. I know the Rocksensor is growing with a rapid speed. In future, definitely the more details will be added in future, and the more and more sales will be increased in the terms of yeah.